Hello friends, this is Ajay Warik. Welcome to Spiritual Seeker. Please use your earphones while listening to affirmations for better results. Affirmation helps in reprogramming your subconscious mind. It releases negative pattern and create positive thought patterns. Thank you. Today I will take step towards realizing my dreams. Happiness and success are automatic for me. I shall develop love for all humanity, which helps me to maintain positive state of mind to be successful. The universe is filled with endless opportunities for my career. Success comes effortlessly to me. Everything I do always results in great success. My goals and dreams always come true. I have enough faith I shall succeed through my effort. I am in charge of my life. I am happy and free because I am me. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I am good person who deserves success and happiness. I am at peace with where I am and I have a strong vision for my future. I trust my intuition and I always make wise decisions. My affirmation for success: always be fruitful. Others are attracted to me because I am always successful. Every day I am more and more successful. I can let go of old negative beliefs that have stood in the way of my success. I have success in all area of my life. I have all that I need to make today a great day. I am successful. Every day I discover interesting and exciting new path to pursue. I teach others to believe in me by believing in myself. I know that my thoughts create my reality, so I focus on things in my life that I love. I act fearlessly. My thoughts and ideas are the seedling of my success. I am decisive, confident, and take actions. I am surrounded by supportive, positive people who believes in me and want to see my success. Somehow, the universe just always helps me achieve my goals. I have the will and desire to reach unlimited heights of success. Everywhere I go, I create joy, love, and success. Others are inspired by my success. Opportunities just seems to fall right into my lap. I have the knowledge to make smart decisions for myself. I am constantly striving to achieve my definite aim through proper action. I will be open minded and always eager to explore new avenues to success. I love that opportunities to be successful are all around me every day. I am passionate about constantly being better and more successful. I have developed my lifestyle routine conducive to success. I am magnet for success in everything I do. I am incredibly grateful for all my success. Everything I could ever want or need is already out there, waiting to come to me. I live a beautiful life and I only attract the best of everything. My ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My potential to succeed is infinite. I am breaking through old limiting patterns of behavior and becoming more successful every day. I am very motivated, driven, and ambitious. I can motivate myself with the snap of my fingers. I am focused on my goals and feel passionate about my work. I see happiness and success wherever I go. I am rich in love, wealth, and happiness. Success comes naturally to me. I am incredibly successful. I know that I have to give before I can get anything. I was born to be successful. It is my natural state of being. I deserve to be successful. My good fortune is the result of my hard work and determinations. I find it easy to succeed at everything I do. Wealth and success are normal for me. Love, health, and success are attracted to me. I celebrate the success I have in my life in every moment. Success comes from my mind. I am a strong individual who attracts success and happiness. I deserve success. I am highly motivated and productive. I think big.